Hello, this is Margaret with Ctailer. C is for consumer and Tailor is for retailer. We bring craftspeople from developing countries and their products to market in the U.S. retail market. Today we're unboxing products from Carthage, and they're a Tunisian company. They do beautiful olive wood handcrafted objects, cutting boards, chess boards, and chess pieces, the bowls, turned bowls, and mortar and pestle, and a number of other things. So this is a map of Tunisia, just to give you an idea of where Tunisia is located. As you can see, it's northern Africa, and it borders with Algeria and Libya, and seems to be a stone's throw from Sicily and Italy. And you can see the Tunisian flag on the left, or the red flag. And I'm going to show you a little bit of the coastline. The coastline is quite beautiful, as you can see there. It's very sunny and a beautiful coastline. The first item I want to show you is this chess set. It's a beautiful handcrafted set made entirely of olive wood, and it is the olive tree, of course, is prized in the Mediterranean for the fruit, the olive, and also for its oils. So olive wood is not readily available for large projects, and it's used mostly for high-end items and veneers. Olive wood has a very gorgeous green gorgeous grain pattern, and I'm going to show you a little bit closer up on some of it. So there's a drawer, as you can see, on both sides, and you can conveniently put your chess pieces inside the drawer when not in use. So this is a set, and I wanted to show you just the grains and the inlaid wood here. How beautiful the colors, the rich creamy browns and yellows, and it's really a fine grain, and I know that anybody would love to have this chess set as a gift, or buy it for yourself. It's such a nice set, and so much quality workmanship went into it. I think that gives you an idea, a little bit of how this chess set looks. I try to pan out a little bit and give you a little bit of a view out here. I think that gives you a little bit better idea of how the size is, and be noticed. So I'm going to show a little bit close up on this, a little bit more, and also transition here. I want to show that again how this is made. It shows you really, I think, quite well the grains in it. And then on the other side, change this. This is a really nice piece. It's beautiful. Up next is an array of kitchen items, especially the spoon and fork is great for tossing salads, and the knife is would be a great item in the kitchen for spreading or making orders. And in addition, we have a nice, very nice goblet that's turned in with really fine wood. And the grains, again, are just gorgeous. I can't say enough about the beauty of the wood. And I try to bring something up a little bit closer, and hopefully, I don't know, that might not show so well. I'm going to try to come in actually to this wood. I don't think you'll be able to see that so well, but this gives you an idea of the grains and how pretty it is. Okay, that's it for now. So this is more work from Nature Carthage, and there's a couple of bowls and a mortar and pestle. And hopefully to see some of these bowls firsthand. And this one I'm going to show off. Very nice grains. Show the bottom of it. It's really, very, very pretty bowl. And I'll show this one also. And how nice the grain is. Look at that. That's just really pretty. And I think this mortar and pestle is particularly nice, and I really like the usefulness of it too. The fact that it's a very useful object. And I think some of this is just exquisite. I just don't find that in other woods, this patterns of grains. So I really appreciate fine wood. I think it's one